Looking for a reliable pocket knife for everyday carry or your next outdoor adventure? In this video, I've rounded up the 15 best pocket knives for EDC and camping that combine durability, functionality, and portability. Stay tuned as I break down each knife's features, materials, and usability so you can find the perfect EDC companion. Number 1. Goodworker Pocket Knife. The Goodworker Pocket Knife is a compact and reliable EDC tool designed for everyday use and camping adventures. It features a durable aluminum handle that provides a secure grip while remaining lightweight enough for easy carrying. The knife comes in multiple color options, allowing you to choose one that fits your personal style. Its stainless steel blade ensures sharp, long-lasting performance and is perfect for cutting tasks around the campsite or in daily situations. With a blade length of 2.95 inches and a total item length of 7.17 inches, this knife combines portability with functionality. Overall, the Goodworker Pocket Knife is a versatile, reusable tool that every outdoor enthusiast should have. Number 2. Smith & Wesson Extreme Ops Folding Knife. The Smith & Wesson Extreme Ops Folding Knife is built for strength and portability, making it perfect for EDC, camping, and outdoor survival tasks. It features a sturdy aluminum handle that offers comfort and stability, while the stainless steel blade delivers reliable cutting power. The 3.1-inch blade and clip point design make slicing, piercing, and everyday tasks effortless. Lightweight at just 3.52 ounces, this knife is easy to carry without sacrificing durability. Its folding mechanism ensures safe storage when not in use, while its compact 7.1-inch length makes it pocket-friendly. If you're opening packages, prepping food, or tackling outdoor tasks, this knife is a trusted companion for any situation. Number 3. Civivi Mini Praxis Folding Pocket Knife. The Civivi Mini Praxis is a sleek, foldable pocket knife perfect for both everyday carry and outdoor adventures. Its fiberglass handle ensures a lightweight yet firm grip, while the alloy steel blade provides reliable sharpness for a wide variety of cutting tasks. With a 2.98-inch blade, this knife balances portability with functionality, making it easy to carry in your pocket or pack without added bulk. Weighing only 4.05 ounces, the Mini Praxis is easy to handle for precise cuts or heavier work. With its foldable design, this knife is both safe and convenient for anyone seeking a compact, high-quality EDC tool. Number 4. Funbro Small Pocket Knife. The Funbro Small Pocket Knife is a lightweight and foldable EDC knife designed for everyday convenience and camping essentials. Its ABS handle offers a secure, comfortable grip, while the stainless steel blade ensures long-lasting sharpness. Compact at 3.94 inches in length with a 1.34-inch blade, it's ideal for pocket carry or as a backup tool in your camping kit. This small but versatile knife is reusable and foldable, making it extremely practical for everyday use. If you need to open packages, prepare food outdoors, or perform small cutting tasks, the Funbro knife delivers reliable performance. Its multiple color options also make it a stylish addition to your EDC collection. Number 5. Grandway Safety Lock Pocket Knife. The Grandway Safety Lock Pocket Knife offers safety and precision for everyday carry and camping activities. Featuring a durable aluminum handle, it provides stability and comfort during cutting tasks. The stainless steel blade, measuring 3.42 inches, comes with a compound bevel edge that ensures smooth, sharp cuts every time. With a total length of 7.68 inches, this knife is perfect for pocket carry while still offering strong functionality. One of the standout features of this knife is its safety lock mechanism, which keeps the blade securely in place when in use and prevents accidental closure. Number 6. Gerber Gear Paraframe Mini Pocket Knife. The Gerber Gear Pocket Knife is a foldable, lightweight pocket knife designed for efficiency and everyday use. Featuring a stainless steel handle and blade, this knife combines strength with portability. The 2.2-inch clip point blade is perfect for precision tasks, from opening packages to outdoor cutting chores. With a total length of 5.25 inches and a slim, rectangular design, this knife easily slips into pockets or backpacks. Its fine edge blade ensures sharp, clean cuts every time, while the durable stainless steel construction guarantees long-term reliability. Number 7. Victorinox Swiss Army Pocket Knife. The Victorinox Swiss Army Pocket Knife is a classic, multifunctional EDC tool that has stood the test of time. Crafted with stainless steel blades and an ABS handle, this knife is lightweight, compact, and versatile. Measuring 2.25 inches when folded, it fits comfortably in your pocket while providing 7 essential functions for everyday tasks, camping, or survival situations. Weighing only 0.176 ounces, this knife is ultra-portable yet incredibly reliable. Its foldable design and high-quality construction ensure that it remains safe and easy to use. Number 8. Kexmo Pocket Knife. The Kexmo Pocket Knife is a foldable, stylish knife that balances practicality with outdoor readiness. It features a wood handle for a natural, comfortable grip and a premium 3-chromium-13 stainless steel blade that guarantees sharpness and durability. With a 3.46-inch drop-point blade, this knife is ideal for slicing, cutting, and piercing tasks during camping trips or everyday activities. Measuring 8.46 inches overall and weighing 5.7 ounces, the Kexmo knife is portable yet substantial enough for heavier duty tasks. Number 9. Kershaw Clash Black Serrated Pocket Knife. The Kershaw Clash is a foldable pocket knife that combines rugged design with practical features. Its glass-reinforced nylon handle provides durability and a firm grip, while the stainless steel 3.1-inch drop-point blade ensures sharpness for everyday and camping tasks. Compact at 5.25 inches total length, this knife is easy to carry while offering reliable performance. Designed for ambidextrous use, it is perfect for left or right-handed users. Its lightweight and durable construction make it ideal for outdoor adventures, camping, or as an everyday carry essential for anyone needing a versatile, foldable knife. Number 10. Spyderco Tenacious Folding Pocket Knife. The Spyderco Tenacious is a lightweight and high-performance folding knife, perfect for EDC and camping. Featuring a fiberglass reinforced nylon handle and a stainless steel plain edge blade, it provides strength, precision, and durability in a compact package. The knife measures 7.77 inches overall, offering optimal leverage for cutting tasks without compromising portability. Equipped with a pocket clip, the Tenacious is easy to carry and deploy quickly. Its lightweight design ensures minimal bulk while maintaining durability for outdoor use. Number 11. Benchmade EDC Knife. The Benchmade EDC knife is a premium everyday carry option that combines precision, durability, and comfort. Featuring a Grivory handle and a stainless steel drop-point blade, this knife is perfect for outdoor adventures, camping, or general EDC use. The 3.24-inch blade provides versatility for cutting, slicing, and light chopping tasks. Weighing only 1.85 ounces and measuring 7.46 inches overall, this is compact yet highly functional. Its flat blade edge ensures precise cutting, while the ergonomic handle provides a secure grip even during extended use. This knife is ideal for anyone looking for a lightweight, durable, and reliable everyday knife. Number 12. SOG Terminus XR G10 Pocket Knife. The SOG Terminus XR G10 is a lockable folding knife designed for EDC enthusiasts and outdoor adventurers. Constructed with a fiberglass handle and a high carbon steel blade, this knife offers unmatched durability and strength. The 2.9-inch Tanto Point blade provides excellent piercing capabilities, making it suitable for tactical and outdoor tasks. With a total length of 8 inches and an ambidextrous design, the Terminus XR G10 is easy to carry and use with either hand. Its lockable blade system ensures safety during use, while the rugged construction withstands heavy-duty use. Number 13. CJRB, Cutlery, Folding Pocket Knife. The CJRB, Cutlery, Folding Pocket Knife is a high-quality, foldable knife for everyday carry and camping tasks. It features a fiberglass handle and a stone-washed ARRPM9 blade, offering durability and a rugged aesthetic. The clip-point blade with compound bevel ensures efficient cutting for a variety of tasks. Measuring 9 inches overall and weighing 3.7 ounces, this knife balances portability with performance. Its ambidextrous design allows easy use for both left and right-handed users, while the foldable construction ensures safe storage. Number 14. Caresalove Utility Knife. The Caresalove Utility Knife is a compact and reliable folding knife, ideal for camping, EDC, and household tasks. Its aluminum and stainless steel construction ensures durability and a lightweight feel. The 5.6 centimeters blade with single bevel edge provides precise cuts for a variety of tasks, while the 3.26-inch handle offers comfort and control. Weighing only 2.39 ounces and measuring 4.33 inches overall, this knife is highly portable and easy to carry. Its sturdy design makes it suitable for everyday tasks or outdoor use, and its foldable mechanism ensures safe storage and transport. Number 15. CRKT EDC Pocket Folding Knife. The CRKT EDC Pocket Folding Knife is a versatile, lockable folding knife designed for everyday carry and outdoor adventures. Featuring a glass-reinforced nylon handle and a high-carbon stainless steel 3.35-inch blade, this knife combines strength, precision, and portability. The clip-point blade with flat edge makes it ideal for slicing, cutting, and tactical applications. Measuring 7.69 inches overall and weighing 1.9 ounces, this is lightweight yet durable. Its foldable and lockable design ensures safe use, while the ergonomic handle provides a secure grip. And that is the list of the best pocket knives for EDC and camping. If you found a knife that caught your eye, check out the links in the description below for more details. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss more helpful reviews and product roundups like this. Stay safe, stay prepared, and happy cutting!